Hi, Britt. Oh, you were on? I feel like I always miss your lives. Thank you guys for being here. We're gonna do some cans. Powder. Not yet, Gabby. I feel like we're like halfway through actually. We don't need to stop though, but we're doing good. A big ass tote. Oh, I just love lemon comet. That one's gonna flip. Alex. Oh. Hello. Ensueño is in fact a word. Lovely. You are so lovely to me. Lord knows if that one's upside down or not. Not me. Yeah, Foca's our sugar mama tonight. Sugar mama. I wish you guys could see how pretty it's like a dusty blue. We do have a big lemon jug going in for the fake rinse if you want to add that with it. Princess sent for it. Who's down here? Oh. Thanks, Ari. The red ensueño? Me, I'm down there. Ooh, delicious, ladies. We're gonna flip her. Did that flip? LOL. Thanks, Kelly. Kelly, are you at work? Oh, thanks, Alex. I think the flips, well, one, I have anxiety, so don't tell me to calm down. I always am just worried that the powder's gonna fall off. That's so heartbreaking. Yes, I finally started to upload things onto my YouTube channel. I'm gonna back upload basically every live I've ever done. Ooh. Ooh. Love that sound. The way this is upside down. Thanks, Karina. Let's do a big scrape. It's just L Hearts ASMR. Where are you going? Are you going to the club? Not me and Princess saying the same thing. Are you going to bed? You want to see Wicked? Leah. There's my epoxy. Coley. It took me so long to see the first one. I think I ended up watching it like on a plane somewhere. It is. Grizzly, it's L Hearts ASMR, like my name. But you can write out hearts like HEARTS. It was linked to my bio, and then I swear I looked yesterday and it wasn't there anymore. Yeah, Coley, I think I've only seen the first Wicked that one time. I like specific kind of musicals. Like, I like Chicago. I like burlesque.